Hey, what's going on everyone? My name is Daniel here and welcome back for another video. So today we are going to talk about a really different topic that I have never covered on this YouTube channel, which basically are rollable smartphones. So we've seen foldable smartphones from Samsung, that's the Galaxy Z Fold, Z Fold 2, the original Galaxy Fold, and some other flip phones. But these are some rollable smartphones which have been, tested by TCL, Oppo, and Xiaomi also did that, and really recently also LG showcased a working prototype and also put out a trailer of a rollable smartphones. Anyway, I think that these rollable smartphones might take the crown from phones like the Galaxy Z Fold 2 and all those other foldables, because when some other form factor comes into the market, the older one just gets old, it gets obsolete. And also these rollable smartphones don't have durability issues, hopefully, because all those issues are being caused by the crease in the middle of these foldable smartphones. And they might even take the crown from phones like the Galaxy Z Fold 2, which are in the case of really premium market, that is $2,000. But the thing is that I don't really think that it's going to happen in the very near future, but it is going to be a slowly and painful death for the folding smartphones. Anyway, let me know your thoughts about this in the comment section below. And yeah, we'll just cover all these rollable smartphones when they come out. Hopefully they come out. Right now they're just in a testing position, they are just prototypes, and not every prototype is released onto the smartphone market. Let me know your thoughts about this in the comment section below, and I'll see you tomorrow.